The air is tight, electric tension ignites the night. Every step you take, I feel the quake. It's a game of fire and I can't escape. Your touch is a spark, your look is a flame. In this wildfire I'll never be the same. Heavy breathing, hearts are racing, caught in the heat, no escaping. This fever's burning, out of control. Heavy breathing, you're stealing my soul. You move like a shadow, silent and sleek. A predator's hunger, your intent is deep. I'm lost in the moment, the thrill, the fight, caught in the rhythm of the endless night. Your voice is a whisper, a call to the wild, pulling me closer with your reckless smile. Heavy breathing, hearts are racing, caught in the heat, no escaping. This fever's burning, out of control. Heavy breathing, you're stealing my soul. The walls are shaking, the world fades away. Nothing else matters, we're lost in the sway. Every heartbeat, every sigh, we're alive tonight, too wild to die. Heavy breathing, hearts are racing, caught in the heat, no escaping. This fever's burning, out of control. Heavy breathing, you're stealing my soul. Heavy breathing, feel the flame. In this fire, we're both to blame. With every heartbeat, every cry, heavy breathing till the morning light.